We're starting our hike. Mount Charleston. Where's she at? There she is.
Butterfly right behind you. Be careful. It might tip you.
Oh, it looks like we're gonna get some rain.
We did not. Good thing we brought a towel that we're sitting on, but we didn't really come prepared for rain. Look at these drops are huge. Wow. It's getting. Should we get going? It's raining harder and more consistently. Oh my gosh. And it's muddy over down there.
Yeah, this is ice.
Oh.
No, it's not ice.
It's just really thick. Look, can you see? Can you look right there? You can see the drops.
Let's get on that tree over here.
Let's go under the tree.
Well, that cut our hike short. We're just gonna go back the same way we came.
Here's the thunder. The rain, I can do the thunder. Now this is nice. You can say we got caught in the rain.
Oh, definitely a thunderstorm. You have to run. Don't run. Uh-huh. That's a Creech Air Force Base over there, and that's what kind of where they did a lot of nuclear tests back in the day in this side of the desert. This is where the first bombs were tested.
Look at the little patio.
Time to go home. Fun's over. Alright guys, we're back again for another hike that we didn't finish last time. So this one I'm gonna add to the video, and here we go.
Look, mushrooms.
First sign of wildlife, mushrooms.
They might be poisonous.
It's been raining up here, so there's a lot of mushrooms. I'm thinking about getting the Oh, look. A little.
Oh, a squirrel. Oh, the little baby.
That's wild. It just goes up there. But like I was saying, I was thinking about getting the new DJI Action 5. This is the GoPro 10. So I think it's time to upgrade. I'm also testing my new backpack. Wow. REI backpack. We're like at 8,000 feet. So we'll see how this goes. It's been a while since I hiked this high.
I'm sick.
Oh.
I can't breathe right. So this is a little bit harder, but
She's being a trooper.
yeah, I'm recovering from a cold, so I'm still at 100%.
So this is our training for Guatemala. We're trying to do a volcano hike in February, and it starts about 8,000 feet. So this is about 8,000 feet, and it goes up to 12,000 feet. We're not gonna go up that high today, but it's only like a 2-3 mile hike. So that's the plan. Go over there and train over here. But yeah, just taking it easy today after she gets better from the cold.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, he's inside the tree now.
Oh, there's a little squirrel house.
That's so cute.
It's a little squirrel in that trunk.
They don't like people.
This is basically the hardest part of this trail. It's going up here. It's been a steady incline all the way up. We found a waterfall.
Yay!
It's so majestic. Just wait and see.
That's actually really pretty.
Almost there, ready. This is how far we made it last time. And then we had to turn around because it was raining. There she is. She made it. Definitely get you a hiking bag because the support is great. I was using one of those little string bags, but yeah, you can fit some waters. And I got my jacket in there, and then I got extra batteries with the GoPro. This one's 22 liters, so yeah, you can fit some stuff. And we got some snacks, some sandwiches in here, you know, for our trip. So we're gonna eat our snacks. Yeah, what I like about it is that it has a little top. It has a little top pocket, and then once you get that out the way, it has a bigger pocket. It has a bigger pocket in there, and it has 2 water bottles and a couple places you can hang carabiners. So definitely get you a hiking backpack if you go hiking. It'll save your life and your back. We got our smart water. She got her sandwich and I got my sandwich. But it kind of like got really inflated because of the elevation. Cheers. Ding. Our snack for a 1 mile hike. Done with the snack, so back on the trail. So another thing you guys can use for when you go hiking is all trails. It's great. Let's see if you can see it. And it tells you everything about the trail you're on, how fast you're going. Use the GPS. But if you go hiking, if you don't want to get lost, you can definitely use one of these things. And yeah, we're back on the trail, and as you can see, it's right here. We're back on. And I think over there is Creech Air Force Base, where they do a lot of testing for drones and bombs and different things. So if you're around, it's Creech Air Force Base over there. So this part of the hike is like all rocks. So when you come over here, it's gonna be rocky. And we were over there when we started at first, and that was all like woods and sand and moss and stuff like that. It's a little bit steep over here, so I'm just trying to be careful. Trying to get back down. This is the last turn over here before the final stretch.
The way down, I feel like is Rob's gonna struggle the most over there because that's where my knees really hurt. Like, se me traban. Use that on the way from down. Because right now, I've been going down for like 30 minutes.
Hey, some WD-40?
Yeah.
Alright guys, well, we're almost done with the hike. We're pretty much down to the street, and here are the things we learned during the trip. Get a walking stick, you know, so that way you can support your knees on the way down or going up, you know, to help you out. Get a backpack, that's good with back support. And take a map, download your Google offline maps, do all trails, you know, have some source of guidance so that way you're not completely lost out there. And bring water and snacks. Water, snacks, you know, you always want to have some food. Like right now, I don't know where I gotta go, so I'm gonna pull up my all trails. And I don't know if you gotta make a right or a left. Gotta make a right. There we go.
Thank you, all Charles.
But yeah, all trails will save you. You know, I've done it with a lot of hikes in Europe. I've done them in Guatemala, here in the US. I just started paying for the premium version, but even the free version, you know, you can download the map and kind of have an idea where you're going. But with the premium version, you can actually have it guide you, and you can like track your pace, your distance, your elevation, and all that stuff. With the free version, you can just see the trail and you can kind of just take an overview, but you can't do the tracking features. But yeah, I do that. I have my GoPro here. I can click it on my little carabiner when I'm not using it, and get a good pair of boots. You know, she's learned that. You know, with a good pair of boots, you know, gives you some good ankle support. And yeah, so we're gonna get ready for the hike in Guatemala. We're gonna keep doing harder hikes over here, and hopefully by February we'll have a good foundation to do the hike. We've been hitting the gym, we've been doing different things, so yep, losing some weight and hiking to practice. And yeah, the sun is up now, yay. And we're almost done. That's our car over there. But yeah, I'm kind of done with this GoPro. It's always like freezing or doing stuff. Right now I can see myself on the selfie screen, you know, but I turn it around and it doesn't show me on the back screen. And even if I tap it, it doesn't respond. So I can't see anything when I turn that way. I just gotta point it, you know, shoot. So I'm thinking about switching to DJI. So I'll make another vlog with the DJI when I buy it. But thank you for watching, guys. We're there. Made it back to the car. Hi guys, thank you for watching. We were gonna do another hike, but you know, she's getting a little blister and
Recovering from a cold.
We're gonna call it a day. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Peace out.